Gold and silver so far for the day has been trading with modest bullishness. We have seen it struggling to break beyond 23.75, 76, and silver at 31, 31.10. See both the levels, both the resistances zone precisely as we expected and we discussed in our first update with the Asian Europe session. Now, what to expect with the US session, and specifically, we have the Chairman Powell's testimony again continuing today as well in Senate. So, how to profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. Gold on the early charts, you can see it is forming higher lows and higher highs. Nice base is created now at around 2371 levels, and thus 2370 72 zone, which was the resistance earlier, is now going to be the support here. Any drop below 2370, we can initiate a selling entry, but then also you can see this 2366 should be taken in order to continue trading bearish, else gold should not be treated as bearish. Look at this, higher lows and higher highs are seen, slight consolidation, and it could give a breakout here. Be watchful of this. Moving average is crossing over here. It's a good sign for the bulls. The stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD is still trading with divergence, trading with modest bullishness here. RSI is also trading with modest bullishness. Upward slope is seen here. On the 2-hour charts, if you see, this could also be a reversal sign. If it drops below 2366, then you should treat that it is reversing. But then also see, I will say that there are extremely good support available here for gold on the downside. We can take a sell entry at 2370 levels, but then you have to be careful. 2366, 63 levels, very very good support here, below which only we should treat gold as bearish, and slight bearishness may prevail here. If you look at the formation, see double bottom is seen, divide this into two, it has come towards the resistance zone. Any breakout beyond 2376 should be a good sign for 2380 and 2384. The stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, is staying bullish. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 3-hour chart, the observation on the 3-hour charts is more or less same. See, preceding candle is a consolidation candle. Prices failed to stay bullish. We can see it closing at a doji. Thus, it is important for gold to break beyond 2376 and then 2380 levels. If these two levels are taken, we can say that the bulls are back in action, and we will look forward to 2384, 85 levels, beyond which certainly we can look forward to the double top levels towards 2391. Moving averages are trading bullish. The stochastic is overbought. Interestingly, the MACD has crossed over here, and this is just the first candle after the crossover. So we may see it diverging, which means we can look forward to a greener candle now, which means a little rise from here. RSI rising, coming to 4 hours. Now see, nice step is created here, and though the bullishness is got diminished, this could also be a reversal sign, but I will say that it will be irreversible. If it breaks beyond 2380, the bullishness is going to be irreversible. We can see it continuing on the upside from there. Right now, as long as it stays below 2376, we should be careful here. Stochastic overbought, MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It has not yet crossed over. It is still in red. It has converged, but it is still trading bearish. RSI rising here. Coming to the daily. Before we look into daily charts, if you also want to learn this art of trading, join the mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel, where we trade commodities, indices, and all in one signals channel. Definitely, you can profit trading as per the signals. So connect with me. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link is also there in the channel and video description. If you join through the link, you will get the lowest spreads, no hidden charges, and yes, a swap free account as well. Now see, on the daily charts, what we have seen in last few days, you can find out it has formed a good support at 2350. Moving averages have climbed up as well. These are trading with divergence, and price is failing to stay below 2350. Today it has tried to bounce back. Now important observation here is, see, we have seen it delivering lower highs, lower lows here. Where are the highs for the channel? At around 23. What is happening today? See, after this sharp drop, we have seen it showing a swing yesterday, closing in green, and today it is almost opened flat. But it is going to be important for it to break beyond 2376 and 80 zone, which will confirm that the movement is going to be irreversible and it can continue trading bullish. So there are going to be greater resistances for gold as long as 2380 is not taken, and then towards 2384, 85. Beyond this, certainly more bullish momentum is to be seen. But as long as it stays below 2380, the chances of swing, because see, hitting the highs, it can reverse and hit the lower lows. Look at the preceding candle. This is also delivered lower lows here. So you have to be. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped from the overbought zone. Look at the MACD. These are trading with divergence here, looking bullish. RSI is rising as well. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy gold at 2376 levels, but then be careful as long as 2380 is not taken. See, I am telling you the key number, but it can shy away from even moving towards 2380. It can reverse from 2378. So as long as 2376, 78, 80 is not taken, you have to be careful. Though you can initiate a buying at 2376. And beyond 2380, I will look forward to 2384, 86 as the first target. And if it breaks, we will look forward to 2391.5 and then 2395. Beyond that, sky is the limit. It is going to rocket high. But I do not see that happening. Let's see. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 2370, 60, 78 zone. 70 zone, it's 68 is again going to be first support, 66 is support, 63 is support. So only bearishness in gold, if you see, it is staying below 2362.5 levels. If gold trades below 2362.5, we can say that it is going to hit lower lows as well, where the prices might try to move towards 2350 and 2344 levels. Now on the downside, if it breaks below 2362, we can say that we might be looking forward to 2354, 55, 2350 and then 2344. Below 2344, extreme bearishness may prevail. Right now, it is still in indecision and it is still looking upwards, showing bullishness here. But again, these are markets, a swing cannot be denied. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at see silver on the hourly charts here. Similar observation here. Look at the formation here. See, almost a flat base is created, then the rise retracement, the higher highs retracement. So flat base is, you should notice, 3070, 3060 first support levels, and then 3050, 3040 the next support levels. Very strong support for silver as long as 3040 is not taken. If you look at the formation, see the rise here, then the reversal sign, and now if it breaks beyond 3110, you can initiate a buying entry. 3110, 3115 is a very good resistance here for silver. We have seen that happening previously as well. We have seen a sharp fall from these levels, so you have to be careful. In fact, if you see silver staying above $31 levels, the lower price above 31, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect it to move towards 3110, 3120 zone. Once it stays beyond 3120, I think more bullish momentum may prevail towards 3140, 50. See, moving averages crossing over here is good sign for the bulls. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropping from the overbought zone, while the MACD is still trading green, still trading bullish. The RSI is running flat. Coming to 2 hour, look at the 2 hour charts here. See, what we can observe here is lower highs. What you can see here is higher lows. It is still trading in this zone. It is very important for silver to either drop below 3070, 3080 zone, or either to rise beyond 3110, 3120 zone. Very stronger resistance and support levels are seen here. What it has done, prices were trading with divergence. It has come to take support from the 2050 period moving averages. Stochastic rising, the MACD was trading bearish. It is trying to converge, not yet crossed over though. A crossover can indicate bullishness. RSI running flat. On the 3 hour, so see, on the 3 hour charts, the candle has started flat. In fact, it can just touch the 20 period moving average and bounce back. This is also possible here. Right now, I can see the preceding candle as you can say consolidation candle here. Prices achieved higher levels but then retrace. So again, if you see it is staying beyond 31, when you see the lower prices about 31, you can initiate a buying entry, wait for 3110 and 3120 levels to be taken. Remember, for silver, as long as 3120 is not taken, we should not be treating silver as bullish. Be watchful of this. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish and RSI is flat here. On the 4 hour charts, if you look on the 4 hour charts, important observation here is that it has taken support from the 20 period moving average. Now see, it is consolidated enough and wait for a breakout. The breakout is going to be stronger one. So any move beyond 3120 is going to lead to stronger bullish momentum towards 3150 or in fact 3175, $32 levels as well. The stochastic has retest, but look at MACD crossed over at the top, trading with divergence, trading bearish. Looking downwards, see first wave, second wave is continuing here, and it is still room for it to continue bearish here. RSI has dropped. Coming to daily charts. Now look at daily charts. See, just connect the highs, just connect the lows. The lows are beautifully connected. The highs are also beautifully connected here. Thus, it is important for silver to break beyond 3120 levels in order to confirm the reversal here. If you look at the last two candles, you will find that Consistently lower highs are seen here where the prices are not willing to stay bullish. At the same time, on the downside, the support also played out well. So as long as it stays between this zone, as long as it stays between 3110 and 3060, 3070 zone, we should not be treating gold either as bearish or bullish. The stochastic overbought trying to drop a bit. MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with little divergence, rising here. The RSI is also running flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy at 31. When you see the lower price above 31, you can initiate a buying entry. Be careful at 3110, 3120 zone. And if you see silver staying beyond 3120, stay bullish for 3140, 50 levels. First target 3175, 32 as the next target very, very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 30. 75 70 zone. You can take a sell entry at 30 75 30 70 levels. Expect 30 60 30 50 30 40. So till 30 40, I will say that silver is not bearish as well. Below 30 40, it is not going to come back. Remember this fact. We can look forward to $30 levels as well. And in fact, below 30, 29.75, 29.50 are the next targets. Right now, it is not showing any such strong bearish sign, but these are markets, so you should be trading with caution. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again with the Asia and Europe session tomorrow. Do not miss to watch that update. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.